LASIK has had a positive impact on my life, both personally and professionally. I chose Montgomery Eye Physicians for my procedure because my mom did hers here in 2001, and also because I grew up seeing an optometrist here, being fitted for contacts and just having my annual screenings. It's quite interesting why I chose to have this procedure. My husband and I 2 years ago decided to take a trip to Steamboat in Colorado. We went skiing and we were at the top of this mountain, and all of a sudden my contact fell out. I was able to remove my goggles, get my contact on my finger, get ready to put it in, and a gust of wind blew it off into the snow and nowhere to be found. Put my goggles back on, decide that I can ski down with just one contact. Well, lo and behold, I fall and out pops the other one. I pick myself up, remove my goggles, get ready to put my contact back in my eye, and yet again, another gust of wind comes and blows it right off into the snow. So here I am at the top of this mountain, trying to get down with terrible vision, and I can't see anything. So my husband leads me down the entire mountain. About an hour and a half later, we make it down the mountain, and my husband swore then and there that when we returned, I was going to Montgomery Eye to get my screening done. So the day of my surgery, my experience was actually really great. The staff was very warm and welcoming, but I was a nervous wreck. Being a nurse, I've seen the behind the scenes of what all goes on with surgical procedures, and I just was really nervous. However, as soon as I checked in, I was being called back, and then thinking that because my eyes were so bad that it would take quite a bit longer than most. Actually, it took less than 5 minutes for both eyes, so I was in and out within no time, and it was fantastic. The biggest difference in my life after surgery is being able to roll over in the middle of the night and see my cell phone, to see the alarm clock and not have to hold my phone so close in my face, close one eye, squint the other, just to be able to see the time. And then as far as my job goes, I'm able to go in and assess my patient and see them without fear of losing my contacts in their bed, which has happened more times than I care to count. But it's just offered me so much freedom and not have to worry about taking contacts with me and worrying that they are going to fall out on the mountain in my patient's bed. It's just been a complete change in my life. My advice for someone who is on the fence about having LASIK, or anyone for that matter that is wanting to have LASIK done, do it. It has been a complete game changer for me, a life-changing experience. It's very nerve-wracking to have someone holding your vision in their hands, but it is the best decision that I've ever made, and I would do it again and again, over and over.